Lindsay and today we are doing a totally show-stopping dessert mashup with my no-bake Funfetti cake batter cookie dough pie. So the base of this pie is my edible cookie dough from last week's video. So I've created a recipe that uses no raw eggs, so there's no chance of salmonella, and we're heat treating the flour to kill off anything that can make you sick. So it's totally safe to eat raw for like the ultimate guilty pleasure. It is real cake mix and white chocolate chips and sprinkles right in the dough to make it taste just like a Funfetti cupcake. And since I've been so into no-bake recipes lately, I had to pile the dough on top of a super easy Oreo cookie no-bake pie crust. And then I took it one step further and smothered it in this gorgeous pastel pink, rich white chocolate ganache. Amazing. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button to be the first to see my all new videos. Okay, so we start with the no-bake Oreo cookie crust, and as always, I'll leave the full recipe for you guys down below or on my website at lindsayandbakes.com. So just line an 8-inch round pan with plastic wrap so you can easily remove the crust later and set that aside. Then we're gonna crush 18 Oreo cookies into fine crumbs using our food processor, or you could just do this in a plastic Ziploc bag too if you need. Then in goes some melted butter and just pulse that together until it's nice and combined. Then we're just gonna pour that into the bottom of our prepared pan and just press that mixture in there until you have a nice, thick, compact crust. Now we're just gonna pop this in the freezer while we prepare our cookie dough filling so it can firm up a little bit. So just whisk together the flour and the cake mix in a microwave-safe bowl. So there's already no egg in this recipe, so to make it safe to eat raw, we're gonna heat treat the flour and the cake mix, and we're just gonna do this in the microwave in 30-second intervals, just stirring in between, making sure the flour and the cake mix get up to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's safe to add to the recipe, and then you can consume it raw. Then we're just gonna place this in the freezer to cool down a little bit while we get the other ingredients ready. So we're just gonna beat together the butter and the brown sugar on medium speed until it's light and fluffy for about 2 minutes. Then in goes the vanilla, salt, and the secret ingredient, some sweetened condensed milk. And just beat that all in there. Then just scrape down the sides and the bottom of the bowl to make sure everything's incorporated. And on low speed, we're gradually just gonna add that flour cake mix mixture until it's fully combined. Now comes the best part, we get to fold in all the amazing goodies. So in goes some semi-sweet chocolate chips, some white chocolate chips, and of course, you can't forget the rainbow confetti sprinkles to make it funfetti. How awesome did this stuff turn out, you guys? Oh my gosh, I just want to eat this stuff right out of the bowl. Now we take our cookie dough and we're just going to pour it right on top of our Oreo cookie crust and just press it in there to get a nice even layer. And I just like to set aside a little bit of the dough to turn it into 8 little balls that we can put on top to decorate with at the end. Now we're just gonna pop this in the freezer for about a half hour, or you can put it in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours to firm up a little bit while we prepare the rest. So for our pink ganache strip, we're just gonna heat some cream in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes on high until it's just about boiling. Then we add in our pink candy melts and just let this sit for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then you can go ahead and stir it all together until it's nice and smooth and that perfect drippy consistency. Then just set this aside to thicken up a little bit while our cookie dough pie chills, and then we get to put it all together. So once our cookie dough is nice and firm, we're just gonna remove the dough from the pan using that plastic wrap and just peel it right off. Then just place your pie on a serving dish, and then go ahead and pour your ganache right over the top of the pie. And you can go ahead and help it out and spread it evenly all the way to the edges of the pie, and just watch that pink ganache drip down with the ooey gooiness. I think this is like my favorite part. Then we add our festive sprinkles on top to really funfettify it. And you could totally serve it just like that, but I like to garnish it and make it look all pretty, so I just took some fresh whipped cream and piped it right on top in little swirls. And then I added my mini cookie dough balls that I set aside earlier, and some more little chocolate chips and white chocolate to really make this over the top. How totally incredible did this pie turn out? All right, the best part, let's slice into this thing. And if you guys give this a try, be sure to tag me in a picture on social media at Lindsay and Bakes, or share this video with somebody who you know would love this no-bake recipe. Oh yeah, look at that soft, buttery, rich cookie dough right on top of that crunchy Oreo crust. This is like the ultimate dessert lover's dream. I swear you'll feel like a kid in a candy store when you slice into this. And if you guys love this recipe, you're also gonna love my no-bake unicorn pie or my chocolate chip cookie dough cups. So be sure to check those videos out too. So there you have my no-bake Funfetti cake batter cookie dough pie. Thanks so much for watching and commenting. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for tons more videos that I know you're gonna love. And I'll see you guys right here next time. Bye. You guys, I got a little crazy in the kitchen. Check out this week's YouTube video. It is a Funfetti cake batter flavored edible cookie dough that is stuffed into a no-bake pie on top of an Oreo cookie crust. We've got cookie dough balls and sprinkles, the works.